What's up, guys? Welcome back to Elite Signals. My name is Eli. I'm going to show you guys an insane strategy that can give you up to a 90% win rate when trading Forex, crypto, or stocks, guys. And I'm not kidding when I say 90%. It's absolutely insane. So if you guys are ready, let's get started. Alright guys, let's get into the strategy. The first thing you guys need to do is you want to head over to your charts and you want to add Elite Algo Indicator, guys. And you have to make sure that you're running the latest version, which is version 15. If you guys don't have this indicator, don't worry. I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can get it at the end of the video. Now that we have the Elite Algo loaded up on our charts, you guys want to make sure that your settings are the same as mine. So we want to go up here into the settings for Elite Algo. Click on this little settings icon. And once we're in here, guys, we want to make sure that our sensitivity is anywhere between 1.2 and 1.5. Very important. And we want to go down here when we want to make sure that Show Trend Cloud is enabled, and we want to be using the short-term trend cloud instead of the long-term one for this specific strategy. And there's one more thing we need to do before we start trading, and that is we need to select Heikin-Ashi type candles. So we want to go up here and we want to click on this arrow right here, and we want to go down to where it says Heikin-Ashi and make sure we have that selected, guys. Okay, this is very important for the strategy as well. Now that we have everything loaded up on our chart, we want to talk about the rules of this specific strategy. There's only really 3 or 2 rules that's going to apply. So it's not very hard. Pretty much anybody can follow this. So check this out, guys. Okay, the first rule is you do not want to be trading the signals blindly, guys. Okay, that's number one. We want to make sure that they're in the right trend, and this is how we do that. Okay, guys. So first, if you see a sell signal and it's in a green trend, you want to ignore it until it turns into a red trend. Once that sell signal converts into a red trend on the cloud that we have up here, that's when you enter the trade, guys. Okay, so this signal right here, you actually wouldn't enter the trade on the signal itself. You would enter it when the trend cloud turns red. Okay, very, very simple. That's pretty much the only rule when it comes to trend trading. Now, if the signal comes and it's already in a red cloud, then you're free to take that signal. But if we have a buy signal and it's in a red cloud and it never turns green, we want to completely ignore it, and vice versa. It's literally that easy, guys. And if you guys can follow this strategy, it's very easy. So for example, right here, check this out. If we go back and scroll here, we have a buy signal right here, guys. We do not want to take this buy signal until the cloud turns green, which is right here. This is when we enter the trade, right? And then we ride it. Very, very nice. Second thing, guys, the second rule, which is very important, is that you guys want to always set a stop loss. Now, when setting the stop loss, this is how you set it. You just want to set your stop loss to where the green or red line is at the time. So for example, if you're taking this trade right here, so we have a buy signal, we see that it turned green right there. So we want to take the trade right here. What you're going to do, okay, guys, very, very simple. Check this out. Is you want to set your stop loss to where that green line is. And your take profit, your first one will be at a 1-to-1 ratio. So around right there, that'll be your first take profit. And your second take profit, guys, will be a 2-to-1 ratio. Okay. So at the first take profit, once it hits the first take profit, you want to close 50 to 75% of your positions. And then you want to move your stop loss to break even. Once you do that, you can no longer take a loss on that trade. So it makes it very, very easy to trade, guys. And you want to wait for the price to hit your second take profit. That's when you close all the position, right? Or if you want, you can keep riding it until it hits the green line. And at that time, you can take out your profit then. Okay. So as we can see here with this strategy, guys, the last 11 signals, we only lost 1 trade. So this we would have never taken. This is a win. That's a win. This one is an obvious win. This is a win. This sell signal right here is a win because it hit the first take profit. Same with this one. Now this is the only loss that we take because eventually it turned into a green zone. So we would have bought here and we would have taken an L on this one. But it's okay. There's no such thing as a 100% win rate. We know this. And as we can see, guys, if we keep scrolling back, we can see that all these signals right here would have been winners. And we would have ignored every single one of these buy signals because they weren't in a green trend, or the green trend didn't actually end up happening, guys. So as you can see, this would have given us 11 or 12 signals where we would have won 9 of them. Very, very important that you guys follow this strategy. It's not very hard, guys. You simply trade with the trend and you trade with the cloud. You guys also have the ability to set up alerts with Elite Algo on your charts. So if you guys don't want to wait around on your charts and just wait for a signal to pop up in real time, guys, what you guys can do is you guys can just right click one of these signals here. It doesn't have to be a sell or a buy. It can be any, and just click add alert, guys. And then once you're here, you want to make sure that any entry signal is selected, and you want to click on once per bar close. And you just want to type in what kind of notification that you guys want to pop. So if you want to notify you on the TradingView app, you can use this, or if you want email, you can use that, and just type up the message that you want to receive, and then hit create. It's very easy, guys. So then that way, whenever there's a new buy signal or sell signal that pops up on your chart. So if you're not an Elite Algo user and you want to start using this indicator, guys, it's very easy to get started with it. You're not going to find it in the public library in TradingView because it is a private indicator. You need to sign up for it on our website, which is up here. It's called myelitesignals.com. And once you sign up for it, you'll get complete access to use it whenever you want. If you guys want more information about it or we want to see it live, we also have a 24/7 live stream on our website. So if you go on our website and you click right here, 24/7 live demo, it's going to bring you over to our Twitch account where we stream this indicator live every single day on Bitcoin. So you guys can see exactly how it works. It's that simple, guys. So if you guys want access to this indicator, just simply sign up on our website and check this out if you want more information. If you guys like this video, please leave a like down below, and don't forget to subscribe. It will help us out a lot in the YouTube algorithm. Thank you guys. Have a good day.